told Andy I'm going to surprise him. Do you have any guesses what I'm going to make?
Maybe a 9. Just need a bit of salt.
Good morning, guys. You can't really see me. This angle is so bad. But it is now the start of a new weekly vlog. It is 9:45 in the morning. This morning I had a few clients and I've just finished up at my chiro. And yeah, I'm about to drive home. It's about a 20-minute drive home. I'll probably listen to a potty. I really wanted to go for a walk this morning before chiro, but it started pouring rain, so I might actually go for a walk when I get home before I start my working day. So it is now lunchtime and I've just been editing. Sometimes the Kiwi comes out of me. I've just been editing last week's weekly vlog. I think it took about 2 hours, so I am definitely very hungry right now. I meal prepped this yesterday and I also filmed my whole meal prep Sunday routine kind of thing, so that video shall be coming very soon. It might already be up, I'm not really sure, but yeah, I'm just gonna eat this and then I need to go for a walk. I didn't end up going this morning because I just really wanted to edit this video, so I'm gonna eat this, go for a walk, listen to a podcast, and yeah, then I have clients this afternoon. Yay! I honestly think Andy would be shocked if I showed you how this camera is balancing currently on my blender and the cat food. Ooh, gotta be careful. Anyway, it is Thursday. No, it's not. It is Wednesday today. I didn't really film much yesterday. I basically just worked at my laptop all day, so there wasn't that much to show. I did go for my daily walk. I also did an at-home workout, which I filmed. And then I went out for dinner with some online clients, which is so amazing. They actually joined my online coaching program in May last year when COVID hit, and they've been my clients ever since. And they finally came to Melbourne yesterday, so I was able to meet them and it was just so much fun, and yeah, we got along so well. But now I'm just making my lunch. So I've got some chicken prepping here. I'm gonna add some minced garlic and also some Parmesan cheese. This combo is so good. And I also have a low calorie potato bake thing that I made in my meal prep video. This is so good. I need to make this more often. I think it's 170 calories per serve, which is just amazing. So yeah, I'm literally just adding a tablespoon, no, teaspoon, a tablespoon, that would be so much garlic. A tablespoon of garlic onto the chicken, and then I'm just going to sprinkle some Parmesan over the top, and I'll also cook up some veg as well. But yeah, today, what day is it? Wednesday, so I had clients this morning. I didn't actually go for a walk today because my toe hurts. What a silly excuse not to go for a walk, but honestly, I didn't sleep last night because my toe was in so much pain. I don't know what I did. Maybe I like stepped funny. I really don't know, but my big toe really hurts. So even trying to like demonstrate to clients this morning, I could barely do like a lunge. So I decided not to go for a walk, but I may go later if it starts to feel a bit better. But anyway, now I'm honestly just rambling because I feel like I'm like chatting to a friend while I make my lunch, and it's fun. Are you right there, Oreo? You just chilling? Look at those paw prints. You're so cute. We're just out for our little afternoon walk right now. I think it's like 6:30 maybe. Andy just went and got his hair cut. Whoa, that exposure though. And yeah, we're just out for a little walk, and when we get home we'll make some dinner. I told Andy I'm going to surprise him. Do you have any guesses what I'm going to make?
Nope.
No guesses? Using the ingredients we were going to use, chicken and rice. Do you have any guesses now?
I don't know what else it could be other than that.
What did we have last week? What did we order?
Oh, fried rice.
Nah.
Oh, burritos.
Burritos.
I don't like burritos.
Oh, make your own food then. You like burritos, right?
Did I order burritos?
No, you ordered nachos. Okay, well I'll make myself a burrito and you can make your own dinner. I actually didn't even realize you don't really like burritos, but anyway, that is what I'm making for dinner. So when I get home I'm going to put on some tea, but it's such a nice afternoon.
What?
Just the way you're holding that. Like it's a taco. What would you rate it out of 10?
10?
I don't know. Honest review.
Maybe a 9. Just needs a bit of sauce or something. What do you rate it?
10. Happy Thursday, guys. I've currently got a little iced coffee. It is like 3 p.m. and I've been procrastinating all day to clean my room. There's a bunch of clothes on the floor down here. I'm not even going to show you because I'm embarrassed. I'm an adult and I still don't know how to do my washing. Nah, I do know how to do my washing, but every time I do a load of washing, I fold it up and I put it on the ground in piles, and I don't know why. Does anyone else do it? Because like if you've already hung it up, taken it off the line, folded it up, wouldn't you think to just put it away? But not me. I'm a little bit silly and I just put it back on the ground, and then piles of clothes stack up on one another, and now my room's a mess. So I need to just put them away because I've been procrastinating.
Alright. Looks like I'm shy, but you came here.
You are shy. You're literally never in any of my vlogs. No one sees you. You're like...
Yeah, you have to blur my face if I turn around.
I just like made you up. Anyway, I'm ending out this weekly vlog here, so please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to go down below and hit the subscribe button. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. If you are enjoying it, please let me know, because yeah, I want to bring out content that you guys want to see. Bye.
Bye. Hi, bye.
Hi, bye. Oreo, say goodbye. He's like, nah.